Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at home. Okay, I am also fine, students. I think nobody is coming for the intercession class. One or two students only coming. So this is 12th standard. You may not forget. Okay, you will have the public exam. In what way they are going to conduct, we don't know. But you must make thorough all the lessons. Okay, that is there. Don't think that this is 11th standard. Okay, students. 11th standard, more than 12, 13 students are coming. But here, one student or two students. Okay. So keep this in mind. You have to write the public exam. Don't forget. So in accountancy, take lesson 8, chapter 8. The financial statement analysis we were learning. In the previous class, we have studied that comparative statement analysis, isn't it? So in the comparative statement analysis, we will compare 2 years profit or two that establishment or organizations that financial statements will be compared. Okay, then we'll increase or decrease. We will write plus or minus and we will find out the percentage. So now we will learn the next one, common size statement. Common size statement and financial statement analysis. So simply short they have given common size statement. So here what is this common size statement? Here we are taking any one state that detail transaction as the common base. Okay, for 100, for example, in the income statement we will take revenue from operation as the base. Okay, in this, which one? For the income statement. Okay, revenue from operation is the base. That one we will take as 100 and we will calculate the other percentage. Okay, then in the balance sheet we will take the total assets or total liabilities as the base, common base. Okay, or the total, both the total assets and total liabilities will be same, isn't it, in the balance sheet? So they will take any one of these as the base. That means 100. Then we need to calculate the other percentage. Okay. So in this here also, as that we compare the year's statement, here also we can prepare this common size statement analysis for 2 years or for two that organizations, two different institutions. Amount also can be compared. Okay, not comparative, this common size statement, the heading. Here we have to calculate the percentage for revenue from operation. If it is the balance sheet, we have to calculate the percentage for to the total assets and total liabilities. Okay, I think we can do the problem because only 2-3 classes I have to complete this lesson and the next lesson also. Okay, here we have completed in the exercise 3, isn't it? Up to 3 we have completed. Then 4 we have not completed, isn't it? The financial position. Okay, you can do that one. Okay, the same way you have to find out the increase or decrease and we have to calculate the percentage in the same method only. So today we will see the common size statement. That one, 6. Prepare common size income statement. Before that I will say the page number 288. Okay, take page number 288, the first one. 6th number, prepare common size income statement for the following particulars of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017. revenue from operations, then other income, expenses, okay, given. So we need to draw the line, isn't it? For the common size income statement, we need to draw only the two amount column only. Okay, then particulars. So how to write the heading? Number we have written, next heading, isn't it? Common size income statement of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017. Okay, here 1, here 2. Okay, here particulars. Then we should write the absolute amount, what is given there. Absolute amount. Then we should write percentage of revenue from operation. Okay, here you may not forget common size statement. You have to think about the revenue from operation. So percentage of revenue from operation. Okay, now we will start to first one, revenue from operation. You write fully. Okay, that one, what is the amount? 4,50,000. You write the absolute amount. Then percentage as 100. Okay, that base. Revenue from operation is 100. Then other income. What we have to do? Add other income. 67,500. Okay, now we need to calculate. Okay, here for 4,50,000 it is 100. Then if it is 100 for 4,50,000, then for 67,500, how much is the percentage we need to calculate. Okay, 40, then 45. Okay, 5 we can cut, isn't it? 9. Here 1 5, 17, 3 5s are 15, again 5. Again we can divide this one by 9, isn't it? 1 9 is 9. 1 9 is 9, remaining 4, 45, 5. So what is the percentage? 15. Okay. Then after adding this one, what is this called? Profit. Total revenue, isn't it? Total revenue less expenses 1,35,000. Okay, for this also we need to calculate. 4,50,000 100. Then which one? Like this, into 5,17,500. Okay, 40, 1 2 3 4, 45, 5, 1 5, then 0, 17, 3, 25, 5. Again for 5, 9 we can give. 1 9 is 9, 13. Okay, it will go. 1 9 is 9, remaining 1 13, again 1 4, 45, 5. So 500, 115. So simply we can add, isn't it? Now 1,35,000. So here 1,35,000 thousand. Here the 9, isn't it? 45. So 5. 1 5 2 5s are 10. 35 7 27,000. Not 3 20. Once 2 0 we will cut, isn't it? So 270. Then again 9. Okay, so how many 9? 3 9s are 27. 30. 30 is the expense ratio. Okay, then what is this less expense? Can I find out? 5 2 8 4 minus 1 3. Here 5 11 minus 3 8 85. Okay, simply we can add and calculate here. What is this one called? Profit before tax. Okay, sixth we have completed. Here we can add this one. We can add, calculate this one, and we can deduct this one in common size statement. If two people's given, the same thing we have to calculate. Okay, for each one, that absolute amount percentage we need to calculate. Okay, so calculation only important. There 7 and 8 both, one is to institution Maria Limited, Kala Limited, the other one 2 years. Okay, so we will do the 2 years one. Okay, that we will do, because there one more calculation is there, that we will do. 8. Okay, prepare common size statement. So common size statement of SAM Limited for the year ended two years. It's good, no need. Leave it. Here 2 years. Okay, here 2015 16, here 2016 17. Then first one, absolute amount rupees, then percentage on revenue from operation. Okay, here in the same way, absolute amount, here revenue from operation. Okay, first one, revenue from operation 4 lakh. Here 5 lakh. From operation, add other income. 80,000, 50,000. Okay, here this is 100, isn't it? Now we need to calculate. 4,80,000, 5,50,000. So now you need to calculate, isn't it? For 4 lakh, what is the percentage? 100. Then what is, how much is for 80,000. 50, 4 plus 1. Here 2, 1, isn't it? So 2 into 10, 20. 20. Okay. Then again here 100. Okay. For 5 lakh, 100. So 5 lakh 100, then 50,000, 10, isn't it? We can do in our mind. So add and write 121. So okay, we need to add. What is this one? Total revenue. Then less expense 2,40,000. Here 2,50,000. Okay, here again if we less 2,40,000. Here 3 lakh. Okay, now we will calculate. For 4 lakh 100, then for 2,40,000. Okay, 50, here 401. Okay, then 4, 6. 6 into 10, 60, isn't it? Correct only? Okay, 60. Then here, if it is 5 lakh 100, then half of 5 lakh only 2,50,000, isn't it? So we can write 50%. Okay, now you less 60, 60. What is this? Profit before tax. Then less income tax. Income tax we need to calculate 30%. So 2,40,000 into 30 by 100. 4 3s are 12, 72,000. Here 3 lakh, there how much? Same 30%. Okay, 3 into 3, 90,000. Now we will calculate. Okay, for 4 lakh 100, then how much? 72,000. 50, isn't it? Here 30, here 20. Here 4, how many? 1 4 is 4. Then 32, 8 4s are 32. Okay, so tax 18%. Then here 90,000. For 5 lakh 100, then for 90,000. 50 401, then 5 10 2 2 into 9 18. Okay, okay, now we will deduct less 30 8 3 13 minus 7 6 1 1,68,000. Then 2 5 minus 1 4 2,10,000. Same 42, isn't it? 42, 2,10,000. Okay, this is profit after tax. Okay, it is nothing. You have to take this common size means one common base. That if you remember this column, you can remember this problem also. Comparative, we will not take 1 as 100. Okay, there we will compare and plus and in the absolute amount of increase or decrease. Here this is the absolute amount. We are taking this one revenue from operation as the base. So that percentage on revenue from operation. So revenue from operation we are taking as 100. Okay, other thing we are calculating. So that one, first one, 4 lakh, it is 100. Then the other amount we have to calculate. Okay, now we will do one balance sheet. Okay, there we have to compare the, we will do the ninth one. Okay, common size balance sheet. Meena Limited as on 31st March 2018. Okay, here that particulars, then two column, isn't it? Percentage and absolute amount. First one, absolute amount, percentage on absolute amount, absolute percentage on total assets. Okay, here we will write, we have to write fully. Okay, what is given? Roman number 1, equity and liabilities, right? Then shareholders funds, you have to write fully. Okay, 2 lakh, 2 lakh here. Then non-current liabilities, non-current liabilities 1,60,000. Then current liabilities 40,000. Then we need to write what is given there, you have to write as it is. Okay, 4 lakh. Okay, draw double line. Then write number 2, assets, non-current assets. Here the total amount we will take as the base. Okay, here 3 lakh. Current assets 1 lakh. So total 4 lakh. So here what will be the base? The total. Here what we have to write is it total. Total is the base. Now we need to calculate. Okay, for like this we have to calculate. Calculation. For 4 lakh it is 100. So for 2 lakh we can do in memory, isn't it? For 4 lakh 100, half of 4 lakh 2 lakh. So we will get 50. Okay, next one we will take 1,60,000. Okay, for 4 lakh 100. So for 1,60,000. 50 here 4 1, then 4 4 40, isn't it? Then for 4 lakh 100, 40,000 10, isn't it? 1 0 we need to reduce and uncheck we will get 100. Here you see for here we can take in memory also we can do. You see for 4 lakh 100. So for 1 lakh that you divided by 4, 100 divided by 4, 25 we will get, isn't it? If this is 25, this is what? 75. Okay, you can do if you are very thorough. Okay, in good in maths you can do very fast. Otherwise you have to do for each and everything. For 4 lakh 100, then into 3 lakh we will get the same amount, 5 5, isn't it? Then 4 2 4s are 8, balance 2 25 into 3 75. Okay, so we will get that amount. Okay, now you are thorough about the common size statement, both the income statement and the balance sheet. Okay, if they have given for 2 years, then two more column we have to draw. Okay, absolute amount and percentage on total assets. Okay, percentage on total asset for balance sheet we have to write, isn't it? So again two more column we have to draw. Okay, these two for 1 year and the other one for the other year. Okay, so that one also you can do. Okay, 11. Now we will learn the next analysis, next tools of financial statement analysis. The third one, I have told you we have only 3 analysis. Okay, around 5 are given, but we for our portion only 3 they have taken. Okay, first comparative statement, second one common size statement analysis, the third one is trend analysis. Okay, the trend analysis. So what is this trend? We will here we will calculate the trend, whether it is an increasing trend or decreasing trend, isn't it? That means how the movement is there. That means the we used to say this is the current trend, isn't it? That means how it moves. That is the one. The movement of the movement tendency, how it moves, whether it is an increasing trend or decreasing trend or in the same way. Okay, that is called trend analysis. The whether it is in a increasing trend or decreasing trend. Okay, here they will take around not one year, at least 2 or 3 years will be taken as the for the trend analysis. Only then we can say whether it is increasing or decreasing trend, isn't it? For this one, usually they will take here which one will be the base. The base will be the first year. Okay, the first year will be the base and that will be taken as the 100. Okay, all the amount for income statement, every amount will be 100 for the first year. Then we will compare, we will calculate. Okay, we will calculate the percentage. Okay, now we will see the that exercise, next exercise. Okay, in the trend analysis, which one we will see? The 12th one. Okay, 12th exercise we will learn from, it is in page number 290. From the following particulars, calculate the trend percentages of Kala Limited. Rupees in thousands given. Revenue from operation. How many years? 3 years. 16, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. Other income expenses. Which one we can do? Where they have given everything, isn't it? Second one we will take. Okay, second one, because the tax is not given, very simple one. So we will learn the 13th one. Okay, trend percentages of Kavita Limited. Okay, so we have to write the heading trend analysis. Okay, of Kavita Limited. Then what are the columns we need to draw? Okay, first here more columns we need. Okay, trend percentage. First here 3 amount column, isn't it? Then 3 more we need to draw. One, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Totally 6. Then particulars come. Okay, how to write? This one particulars. Then year. Okay. 2015-16. 15-16, 2016-17, 2017-18. Okay, then this is trend percentage. Okay, trend percentage again 2015, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. So first what is given we have to write. What is there? Revenue from operation. Okay, 100, 125, 150. Okay, then add other income. Other income 20, 25, 30. We will add and write. Okay, 120, 150, 180. What is this? Total revenue. Okay. Then next item, other income we have added. Then now we less expense, isn't it? Less expense 100, 120, 80. Right. We feel less 20, 30, 100. What is this? Profit before tax. Okay, then less income tax. We need to calculate, isn't it? How much? 30 percentage, 30 percentage, 30 percentage. We need to calculate. Here for 20, what is the percentage? 30 percentage, isn't it? 30 by 100. 1 0, here 2 0, isn't it? So 2, 6. Then for 30 into 30 by 100. 9. For 100 again 30 percentage. So this 200, 30. So 20 minus 6, 14, 21, 70. Okay, this is profit after tax. That's all. Now we need to write all this first year trend. The first year will be 100. Okay, write everything 100 here. Okay, 100, 100. You should not draw line here. Okay, should not draw. Okay, now we have to calculate. For 16, 17 only we are going to calculate, isn't it? This one, for which one? 100. This one. For 15, 16 it is 100. Then for 125, how much will come? Okay. For see this one for 100. Revenue from operation. Here, see, this 100 is this 100, isn't it? For this 100, what is the, for this 100, 15, 16, how much? 100. So, for how much is for 125? Okay, so this will cut 125 only. Okay. Then next one, for this one you see, for 20 it is 100. Okay, for 20 it is 100. For 20 it is 100. Then how much for 25? Okay, for 20 how much? 100. So how much for 25? 1 0. Then here 5. 5 into 25, 125. Okay, then again for this one, revenue 120, 100. Okay, you have to write for 120 how much? 100. So for 150 how much? 1 0. Here 3 we can divide, isn't it? Here 4, here 5. Again this 4 we can deduct 25. 25 into 5, 125. Okay. Then see this one. For this one for 100, 100. So for 120, 120 only. Isn't it? For 100, 100. So for 120, 120 only. Next one. Here 20, 100. See here we have calculated for 20. So write the same thing. 125. Okay, 125. For 20, okay, we will calculate for this one, not for 25, 30. For 20, 100. For 20, 100. For 20, 100. Then how much is for 30? Okay, 2, 5, 50. 50 into 3, 150. Okay, then here for 6 it is 100. For 6 it is 100. Then for 9 how much? Okay, 6 and 9. Here 3, here 2. Here 2, 50. 50 into 3, 150. Okay, then again for 1400. For 1400. Then for 21. So here we can simplify by 7, isn't it? 2 7 3 7. Then 2 50. 50 into 3, 150. Okay, then for the next year we need to calculate. Okay, this calculation only you should do very carefully. Okay, for the same thing. The extra paper only we have to keep ready, isn't it? For 100, for 100, this is 100. Then for 150. Okay. Understood? This one, see, this one the base, isn't it? For 100, 100. So for 150, 150 only. Isn't it? Here. For 100, For 20, how much? 100. We are taking 20 as 100, isn't it? Then for 30. 250, 150. Then for 120, 100. 120, for 120, 100. So for 180. 10. Then 6. Here 2 6, 3 6. Again 2, 50. 50 into 3, 150. Okay. Then here you see for 100, 100. So for 80, 80 only. Okay. Then easy one. Then next this one for 20, 100. For 20, 100. So for 100, 5 times. 0, 2, 5, 500. Okay, 500. Then next one for 600. For 600. Then for 30. 6, 5. Isn't it? 500. Then for 1400. For 1400. So for 70. So 7 we can simplify. 2 7, 10. Again 2, 5. 5 into 100, 500. This is the trend analysis. Okay, it's easy only, but the calculation you have to do very carefully. Okay, this is 100. We should compare. So this one, it is for 100, 100. Then for 25. Okay, for 100, 100 like that. For 20, 100. Then next problem we will do. Or just you have to do the balance sheet. Here you have to take the total. Here balance sheet also everything will be the same. Trend analysis. Okay, you have to take one as base, 1 year as base. Okay, fully you have to use the time up. That's why I am showing. Okay, one illustration for trend analysis. See here 3 years given, 1 year is taken as base. Then we need to calculate. Okay, here for 100, for 250 it is 100. For 250 it is 100. Then for 275. Okay, 0 0 5. Here 2 5 5 5. Then 5 5 25 again 5 55 into 2 110. Okay, this is the way you have to calculate. Okay, okay students, for 100. The next one for 100, 100. So for 125, 125 only. Okay, then for 50, 100. Then for 40, double 80. Okay, like that. Then here also we need to calculate. For 400, 100. Then 440, 110. Okay, we will get that answer if you calculate. Okay students, so by this I am completing this lesson. Again two or three more periods available. I will complete the next lesson also. Up to 9 lessons there for your half yearly exam. Okay students, thank you very much.